All right, all right, all right. What's going on, folks? Tyrion here, passive income guru. Hope you guys are doing well today. Real quick, this is going to be a short video, but I'm going to be precise as possible. Make sure that you go to well, if you're on Facebook, make sure you go to my YouTube channel, look up Passive Income Guru, and subscribe. If you're already on YouTube, what I'm going to do is this is a follow-up video. This is a follow-up video right here, guys, on the previous one I just did. Okay. So what I'm going to show you guys is just one of 3 or 4 tools that I use for trading. Getting a lot of inquiries. I can't even talk. Inquiries from people wondering what in the world am I doing? How am I flipping these accounts? You know, what am I doing? What am I using? Let me also say this. This is not what I'm doing and what I've showed you with the account flips and things like that. This is manual trading, ladies and gentlemen. This is not a software. This is actually manual trading. Okay, manual trading. Okay, so I want to get that out of the way. Now I got to also give you a disclaimer. This is Forex trading. This is investing. So my results that you see or have seen are not typical, ladies and gentlemen. I've been trading for quite some time. I've learned how to trade for some years now, and my encouragement to you is basically to learn the skill set, and it's not hard. Okay, I'm here to tell you that the skill set of Forex trading is not hard. The hardest part is your mindset. Let me repeat. The hardest part of Forex trading is your mindset. When you can master your mindset and you be disciplined, you will do very well with this skill. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, I don't want to be too long here, but I'm going to be doing a series of videos showing you guys the different tools that I use in my trading game. Okay. And this is the technical term for these tools are basically it's called confluence. That's the technical term. Confluence stands for confirmations when it comes to Forex trading. So let's get to it. All right. So here is one of the tools, ladies and gentlemen, that I use in my trading. I've been using this tool for well over a year. Well over a year. I've been using this tool. Now it looks crazy right now, right? Like what's all these colors and things like that. I'm going to break this down to you as simple as possible. Okay. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go to the pair that I traded this morning, which was GBP USD right here. Here we go. All right, guys. So this tool is called Manara. Okay, it is called Manara. Manara is simply a harmonic scanner. Okay, and basically what it does is it sifts out different patterns in the Forex market and paints different patterns. As you can see, this pattern right here is called a cipher. Okay, and it gives you different coordinate points of different of the setup that's coming. Now, your entry is always either way at the top or way at the bottom. These other coordinates here are based off of support and resistance zones. Okay, so here's a support, here's a resistance zone right here. Here's a support zone right here. What I also like to look at too is divergence, and that's another video. Okay, divergence is another strategy that I like to use to trade as well. Okay, but basically, simply put, this thing saves me a lot of time, because if you were to go and try to find setups yourself, right, it may take you a while. What Manara does, it sifts out the market, right, for the perfect setups. So as you can see here, we got several pairs here. We got the pair, we got the pattern here. We have the time frame. It also gives you the entry, the target, the stop loss, and your risk to reward ratio. Okay. So we have Euro JPY, I mean a ton of setups, guys. Now, the ticket to this thing, or the key to this thing, is when you get an alert, right? When you get an alert, you're gonna open up the pair, right? Let's go back to, well, let's go to GBP USD. It gave me actually two patterns. The D stands for daily, okay? And of course, you know what these other ones mean: the hour, the 30-minute, the 15-minute. But what I like to do when it comes to flipping these accounts, I like to go to the higher time frames, the 4-hour and the daily, because that's where the bigger moves are going to happen. Okay, the bigger moves are going to happen on the daily and the 4-hour time frame. So I can eat off of one pair for a whole week, depending on the swing of it, the swing of the trade. Okay. So for example, the scanner called GBP USD, it called it on, it got two patterns. It has a Gartley pattern and a cipher pattern, and it's on the daily time frame. So this very well could be a swing trade, or in other words, a trade that could potentially be held for a while. Okay. But me personally, I don't like to hold a trade more than longer than 24 hours, if that. Okay. I'm more of an intraday trader. I'll hold a trade for some hours until it develops, but I don't really go over a day. Okay. I may get into where I can hold it for a long time, but I like to take my profits. Okay. That's all it is. So look at this. So look at this setup right here. It gives you your entry, your stop losses here, your target, and your target. Okay. Now, when I get the alert, I don't jump in the trade right away, guys. I look at the setup. I look at other confluence tools that I have on my other computer here, and I make sure that I like what I see, and then I get in. The key with this tool, okay, you have this gray box here, this area right here, and it says your entries right here. When the trade comes in this box right here, I usually don't take the trade, because this box acts as a support and it also acts as a resistance. So a lot of times when price comes in here, it tends to consolidate until it either goes either way. So what I like to do, I wait till price either, if it's a sell, like this setup is right here, okay, I will wait till it gets out of the gray box until I take the trade. And if it's a buy, I wait until it gets out of the box here. Now, sometimes, well, several times you may see the trade not go in your favor, right? It may come up here and hit the stop loss, and that's okay. So what I like to do, if I see a push, if I see this trade pushing up, for example, in the box, I'll wait until it hits stop loss, because I know the stop loss is also a major resistance area too. So I'll wait until it hits right here, and then I'll see what it does, and then I'll get in right at the stop loss. Okay. Sometimes the trader go past it. You know, it depends. Again, these coordinates are major support and resistance zones. Okay. That's why I like it. All right. So let's look at some more. I mean, that's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, nothing to it. You know, the key to all this is, again, you want to focus on one pair. If you're going to trade, the key is to focus on one pair at a time. Don't try to overdo yourself. Okay. I like to focus on at least one pair at a time, guys. Okay. But again, this tool does it does the hard work for me, and giving me high potential setups. And here's a key tip too with this scanner. If you see multiple a pair multiple times, your eyes should get big, because that means this is really setting up for a nice bullish, or a nice actually is setting up for a nice bearish move these green arrows means it's going up. The red arrows means it's set up for a sell. Okay. So if you see it multiple time frames, multiple patterns, that means this is something to look at. This is a pair to look at, and you may want to, really study the pair before you jump in. Okay. Actually, I'm curious because I do like trading Euro JPY. It was actually the main pair that this past week that I was able to flip a small account into a bigger one. Okay. So it's showing on the hours chart, is showing that it's going to be buying up. Okay. If you zoom out, now this is on the trading view, guys. So this also makes it great too for those of you who use trading view. Let me show you why. Let's go to a lower time frame. Okay. You see these blue lines right here? These are support and resistance zones. Okay. So let's just do this here. These are support. There's support, resistance here, support. Okay, support way down here. So it acts, and then these targets also act as zones too. Okay, makes trading a lot easier. I mean, for me, it's been a game changer. I'll just tell you that it has been a game changer, ladies and gentlemen. I've done very well with this too. Okay, so that is my time. If you guys got any questions about the scanner, if you want to get your hands on this thing, get with me. Okay. You definitely want this in your toolbox. And the good thing about this tool as well, it is also inside of the company that I'm involved with, Eaconomy. Okay. And you're going to also get educated, guys, not only on this tool, but on how to trade in general. And there we have live sessions too for the experts. We have experts in the group, in the company that gives out signals for this tool too. So you're going to get a lot of value for when you decide to join this thing. Okay. So that is my time, ladies and gentlemen. Again, I said I want to make this as short, as precise as possible. If you got any questions, feel free to book a time on my website. Get with me and let's get you going. Okay. All right. So let me go ahead and stop this here real quick. See if we got any questions. Quick questions. What's going on, Aaron? I see you, sir. What's going on? Carol said, does it work on Eagle? Yeah, it works on any broker. Yeah, any broker that you use, that you trade with. Yes, it works on any broker, sis. So yeah, you're good. You're good to go. Okay. Good question. Very good question. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is my time. I got to get ready to get up out of here in a little bit. Get with me again if you're ready to get started with this this tool. It's going to be a game changer for you. Be on the lookout for my the rest of my videos coming out, or the other tools that I use for confirmations. When you have a couple of 2 or 3 tools for confluence, it makes your trading life a lot easier, guys. Okay, you can see clearly. All right. So have a great day. Enjoy your evening. Take care.